Monument to the Right Excellent Nanny of the Maroons. What? Yep. Nanny was leader of the Maroons at the beginning of the 18th century. She was an outstanding military leader, skilled in guerrilla warfare practiced by the Eastern Maroons to confuse the British, said to have had supernatural powers. Nanny was an important figure in the fierce fight with the British during the First Maroon War, 1720 to 1739. She led with courage and inspired her warriors to maintain that special spirit of freedom and independence. This monument, designed by Compass Workshop Limited, was dedicated on October 14, 1999. The abeng, the sound of which was critical to Maroon tactics, forms an integral part of the monument. The vertical structures symbolize Nanny surrounded by her guerrilla warriors. Nanny was declared national hero in 1972. Abeng, 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 abeng. Go. Female warrior rebel leader and tactician, forge of personality and oath of loyalty. Maroons call the abeng resounds echo drum rhythm of the Blue Mountains. The abeng.